C-section delivery is a major surgery and your body needs time to heal and recover. Many questions may arise in your mind if your first delivery is a cesarean one, such as when to plan the next pregnancy after cesarean delivery. Can second delivery be vaginal if first was cesarean? What precautions do you need to follow in your second pregnancy? A gap of 2 years is considered ideal between your first delivery and the beginning of your second pregnancy, no matter whether it was cesarean or vaginal. If your first delivery was a C-section delivery, let your body have more possible time to recover fully. What if you conceive immediately after the C-section delivery? Doctors recommend waiting for 1 to 3 years after your first C-section delivery, depending upon the complications you had in your previous pregnancy, labor, and delivery. C-section delivery scars take 3 months time to heal completely, and you should wait at least 6 months to conceive again. Women with more than the age of 35 should plan to conceive again after the gap of 6 months from their first delivery because fertility issues rise as the age rises. When to conceive again is a choice of partners, but if you have conceived immediately after your first C-section delivery, then consult with your doctor immediately. Your doctor will prescribe you prenatal vitamins and other supplement medications for a healthy pregnancy. Risk in second pregnancy if your first delivery was cesarean: placental abruption, preterm labor, placenta previa, low birth weight babies, ruptured uterus, or other pregnancy complications which you may not have in your first pregnancy. If you are planning for vaginal delivery after cesarean delivery, then you should wait for some more time to conceive again. Why should you wait for a longer time for the next pregnancy? After cesarean surgery, the more time you give your body to recover, the fewer complications will be in your next pregnancy. If you had complications in your first pregnancy, then you should wait for some more time to conceive again. Many nutrients are lost during cesarean delivery. Your body needs nutrients replenishment before planning for the next pregnancy. You will find it difficult to manage your infant care along with your pregnancy care. And for the good health of your next baby, give time to your body. Get in touch with your doctor before making the decision of a second pregnancy. How to increase your chances of getting pregnant after cesarean delivery. Some women fear that C-section delivery may weaken their fertility system. Here are some ways to conceive naturally after the C-section delivery. First is track your periods. After the delivery, your body needs some time to get back to normal, so track your periods regularly. Next is track your ovulation. Use ovulation kits to know which are your most fertile days and take your vitamins regularly. After the C-section delivery, your body needs replenishment. Continue to take your vitamin supplements regularly without any negligence. And do physical activity. Do walk and exercise once your scars heal completely. Most women gain weight after delivery, and being overweight can affect your next conception. Take a healthy diet after delivery. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. Avoid smoking and alcohol. Take rest and don't take stress.